place, ang dudumi na.
Ay! Ay! I saw your picture!
Wow, good job picture!
Oh my God, you're going to study my family. Wow, picture ko agad.
Also blood.
Picture ko agad.
Blood yung buko.
Hala, also blonde daw, sabi nito.
Ano?
Blonde din daw.
Ang ano dyan?
Sa picture.
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon. I'm your tour guide for today.
Yes.
Just call me King. It's my nickname.
Yeah, thank you.
What's your name? What's your name?
King.
Yeah.
King.
My
For
nickname.
two-piece chicken. For two-piece chicken. Large Coke, large fries, and sundae.
Hindi siya
And
drive-thru.
6-piece nuggets.
Hindi siya drive
Tour guide siya!
Ay, sorry.
Please stop talking and follow me.
Oh, stop talking now.
Ay, maingay daw kayo.
Ayoko, dadali niya tayo sa Greenwich.
Please stop talking.
Yes?
Let's walk.
Oh, just walk.
Just walk. Where are we going?
This is the Kalesa.
How dare you tell me about it? I know
Ay,
that's
sorry,
my family.
sorry.
Yeah, what can you tell us? What can you tell us about the Kalesa?
This is the famous... Ano to?
Famous what?
Famous what?
This is
Famous
the
artist.
famous Showtime post.
Alkabogabo.
That's the uncabogable.
Jaren, would you like to ask anything?
Could you also tell me the history behind this picture and what it is?
Oh,
This is the vegan.
what is
What's up? Very good girl needs a little love. I'ma give it up.
You have to listen to mom.
Sorry.
Mom tour guide.
Tour guide.
Continue.
This is vegan. Hindi ko na alam.
Vegan.
Yeah, we've only just
Ever since the world
Can I ask something?
Question.
Ma'am, question.
Yes?
Pwede bang kumain ng meat sa vegan?
Po.
I'm very in love again. Pwede kumain ba ng meat sa vegan?
Yes.
Yes.
Why?
Why not?
Hindi na nagalit na talaga.
Bayad kami dito. Ayan yung tour natin.
Hindi na magalit.
Napakasungit naman itong staff ng Cebuana Luigi.
Hindi siya yan!
Sa team.
Baka si Mami may question. Mami, may question ba
Mami,
kayo?
oo, anong question mo? Di ka naman namin ka-section, nandito. Ano section ka ba?
Mami, saan ang CR? CCR ba kayo?
Ano pong tanong nyo?
Ano po tanong niyo, ma'am? Tanong po kayo.
Pwede kayo magtanong, Mami.
Ano pong kasi sa vegan?
Sorry, also my first time in vegan.
First time na. Kala ko tour guide. Guys, nagpapasabay lang. Turista. Nagpapasama lang. Gusto mo yung tour ka namin? Ay, ito, tsahin ko to. Ang pinakamayaman sa pamilya. Kaya siya nakapagpunta ng sasakyan. Okay na?
Pinahirapan ni Mami.
Sabi naman yung bayad natin.
Uwi na tayo.
Grabe yung sombrero mo. Alam mo kayo talagang magkaedad ni Mami.
Hindi niyo inuunawa eh. First time din pala.
Thank you very much. Next.
Thank you, Marie Claire.